What's up guys? Guys, nandito na naman ako sa bahay ng busy ko guys. Tingnan guys yung merinda namin guys.
Guys, karat siglin
Guys, kasarap-sarap guys.
Anman guys.
Berlin, tapos lang natin.
3-5.
Bahay ng busy ko ito guys. Tingnan nyo guys.
Tingko lang.
Nasa tindahan niya kami guys.
Ay, 5.
Singko
Cheese
lang.
ni.
Tingko lang.
O, kulang ka 5.
Ganito kami dito guys. Gusto ko sana yung pakita yung mukha niya guys kaso
Sige, bala ka.
guys kasarap-sarap guys
Let, nakita mo cellphone ko, Let?
Cake ito guys.
Let? Kita mo cellphone ko?
Kain tayo guys. Mag-hi ka naman dyan, busy. Hi. Thank you for watching, babu.